delicious main course that's made with mushroom and chicken. So now you're gonna see that what we have to cook about this. So let's see.
100 grams of chicken breast, 400 grams of sliced mushroom, 160 grams of chopped onion, 70 grams of butter, 1 small cup of heavy milk, 250 grams of fresh cream cheese, salt, pepper.
Let's prepare the creamy chicken with mushrooms. Begin to prepare the creamy chicken by putting our butter in a frying pan. Then, add the chopped onion and cook until soft on a low flame. The onion must not color, but only soft until transparent. To be transparent, it takes 1 minute. Then, you can see the onion change color. Now, in the meanwhile, add the chicken in the frying pan. Raise the heat and brown everything for about 5 or 6 minutes. Now, add the sliced champignons mushroom and cook with chicken. Mix everything together. Then, put fresh cream cheese and put a small glass of heavy milk. Normally, if you want this menu to make more delicious, you have to put white wine. But if you don't have white wine, you can put heavy milk like me. And mix everything and cook on a low flame until the cooking sauce thickens. You have to make it thicken for about 5 minutes. With everything mixed ahead chicken, add salt and pepper. Stir a bit. Then finish. Now we finished it already, and here is our terrific creamy chicken and mushroom. I hope you loved it, and you can try it at your home because it's easy to cooking it. See you next time. Bye.